Today I learned how to get rid of hiccups. So essentially, if you look at hiccup as your body's confused on whether you are swallowing or breathing, it makes all the solutions pretty obvious. So once you're in this state, you're going to have these diaphragm contractions where your body's trying to swallow or breathe. That's why almost every solution is do some form of swallowing or turn your head upside down and drink something or breathe. I prefer what's called the Valsalva maneuver, and essentially you're going to close your mouth and seal your tongue up like you're going to blow your nose, and then just take a deep controlled breath into your lungs, and that's going to tell your body you are breathing, not swallowing. Let me know if this helped you guys out and what I can learn next on